Hello guys, and welcome to day 12 of trading $50 to $5,000. Currently we are up, guys. We are up $1,170, and I'm looking forward to take a sale on gold. As you can see, this is like M pattern, and we are approaching our trend line, and also retesting our previous 4-hour low. Okay, so let's do this trade. Yeah, this is a good trade. Let me execute and set my stop loss. Yeah, I'm setting my stop loss, guys, with a 0.2 lot size. So I'm targeting $400, and I'm risking only $100. Okay, guys, this is crazy. Trading's good. And don't forget to join my free Telegram channel as I'm placing my take profit. Yeah, and also register with the best broker, link in the description of the video. Let's trade, guys. So guys, this is the progress for the account. So we are about to hit our take profit. We moved just only 17 pips to hit our take profit, but I'm going to hold this trade until we hit our take profit. It's a very good trade, so let's see how it will plays out. Let's see. This is after we shall hit our take profit, guys. I hope we shall hit our take profit. We are just about to hit our take profit. Just 17 pips away to our take profit. We were just 17 pips away to our take profit, but we are still holding this trade. Yeah, till it hit our take profit. When you come to 15 minutes time frame, you can see the market still dropping. Okay, so let's wait and see. Currently we are up $270. Yeah, so guys, this trade is playing with my psychology. So I'm just going to place my stop loss and secure some profits. Let me secure some profits over here, like $50. Can I make $50 on this one? Let me secure $40 on this trade. $40. Yeah. So guys, we were stopped out at break even with $40. That's not even a break even, that's $40 profit. Yeah, let's go for analysis. So guys, welcome to the analysis part of this video, and this is a trade gold. So let me run you through the full analysis of this video. I'll start from the daily time frame. Let's start from the daily time frame. Okay, let me give you guys the full analysis of this trade, starting from the daily time frame. So we mark the previous day's highs in high, low, and a close. Previous day's high, previous day's low, previous day's high, this is the low, and the close of this candle. It's a bearish candle, so it closed at the downside below. Okay, so we were expecting to sell this market on the next day. We were expecting to sell because the previous day's candle was a bearish candle, so we were expecting to sell around this red zone here, this red zone that you are seeing. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, and look for our execution, entry execution. So from this point, I came, by the time I opened my chart, it was around 12. Okay, so I marked the 8 a.m. candle on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are on a 4-hour time frame. So I marked we are on a 4-hour time frame. You can see from here, this is 4-hour. Okay, yeah, so we mark this previous 4-hour candle, which is the 8 a.m. candle. We mark it as a, we mark the low, the close, and the 50% of this candle for that 4-hour candle, 8 a.m. candle. So we mark the 50% of this candle So it's also a bearish candle, so we are expecting to sell. So daily candlestick shows us a bearish bearish move, and 4-hour time frame also shows us a bearish move. So from this area we was expecting to sell. Yeah, let's mark this as green. Okay, green like that. So I'm going to the 1-hour time frame. So I'm spotting some good opportunities in this market. So let's draw this trend line like this. Okay, so you can see this trend line. Let me go to 30 minutes maybe. This trend line had touched these points, first touch, second touch. Now we were waiting for the third touch around this area, third touch. Okay, so yeah, we were waiting for the third touch around that area. So I'm going directly to 5-minute time frame and show you what I saw before taking this trade on a 4-hour 5-minute time frame. We are on a 5-minute time frame. So the first touch of this trade line was here, this point. The second point was this one, and the third point was about to happen at this area. Okay, yeah, it's about to happen. So in a 5-minute time frame, I was waiting for this market to come into this area, around this green zone, inside this green zone, give us some sort of like this break of structure to the downside, then boom to the downside like that. Okay, so that's what I was expecting, but as you can see, this market came down, this market dropped like this, start dropping. So I was waiting for the retest around this area. This was a retest again. I have two confluence. The first one is the retest to this line here, to this green line, this green zone, and the second confluence is this trend line. This trend line wasn't touched here. Okay, as you can see, so it touched our trend line and then boom, start moving to the downside, and I ended exactly at this point after seeing this some sort of small W pattern, M pattern here, as you can see. Yeah, and I trade exactly at this point here, I think it was at this point when I entered the market. Okay, that area. Okay, so I entered the trade and I start moving into my direction, secured some good profit, but I ended up setting my stop loss at I reduced my stop loss around this area, 20 pips. Then yeah, the market came and hit us at a break even with a $40. Okay, but we were targeting $400 on this one. This week is the one that stopped us out. Okay, this week it was a bad week. So imagine on this day we had NFP. It was NFP day, but I had my buyers that this trade was going to sell. Okay, so that's the trade that I took, and it was an amazing trade. Yeah, amazing one. Nothing more about this trade. It was an amazing one. So for gold, I'm only looking for sales on gold because gold is coming into this so you can see, if you go to the monthly time frame, gold is supposed to come up to this point. Previous month's candle, the 50% of the previous month's candle is this one. This previous month's candle, 50% is at this area here. This is the 50%. So I'm expecting gold to come, give us some do like this, something reacting to that area, then boom to the upside like that. That's what I'm expecting for gold. It must come to tap this this 50% of the previous month's candle. Yeah, it must. So that's all about this video, and let's meet in another video. Peace out. Yeah.